Hi everyone, this is Qaisar Abbas, Primavera P6 trainer and consultant. In this video, we are going to install Primavera P6 Professional 23.12 latest release of Primavera P6. First, we will run the Primavera P6 setup. Right click on P6 Professional Setup. Next, run as administrator. Yes. On this window we will select typical. In bottom area you can see previous version of Primavera P6 has been detected. Because I am already using Primavera P6 old release, when you will install on your PC first time, this option will not show, and I don't want to replace my old release, so I will uncheck this option. Next, click on OK. Next, install. On this window we will use run database configuration. OK. Next, click on add. In driver type we will select P6 Professional Standalone SQ Lite. Here we will add the database name Primavera 23. Here you can see add a connection to an existing stored database. If you have already database, you can connect with old database, and we are going to create new database, so we will use add a new standalone database and connection. Next, here we will enter the password. Next, confirm password. Next, if you want to get sample project, then you will use load sample data. We don't want to get sample projects, so we will uncheck these options. Next, we will select the location where you want to save this file. If you save it on drive C, when there is a problem with Windows, your data may be lost. You should always save it on a file to a drive other than C. So we are going to save on drive C. Our database name is Primavera 23. Next, save. Close. Next, save. Close. Installation has completed. Next, we will open the Primavera P6. Here you can see our release is Primavera P6 Professional 23. Next, open. Here you can see database name. Next, we will enter the password. Next, connect. OK. Now you can see Primavera P6 is ready for working. If you want to see the release, go to help, about P6 professional. Here you can see Primavera P6 professional 23.12. Thanks for watching this video.